So here's another video as well. Make sure that this is clean as well. Sometimes you can get lint built up underneath your little tension bar right here. So what I do is I usually pop it up, put the edge just outside so it holds it up a little bit for me. You can see there's a gap right there. Not sure. And just take like a business card or some piece of cardstock, put it underneath, make sure it's nice and clean in there. Once it's all done, just make sure it pops back down. Now you know it's nice and clean between the case and the top of that spring. And then if you do need to adjust it, all you have to do is adjust this screw right here. This one holds it to the case, and this one adjusts the tension itself. So if you screw it in, it will put more pressure on the end of the spring, and if you loosen it, it will allow less tension on that spring and let it flow through even easier. One thing you do have to watch is sometimes, even though you tighten it down, it bends this spring right here, and it does not add any more tension. Sometimes it actually causes less because that spring pulls apart from over here. So if that happens, you just have to take both screws out, re-bend it back down, make sure it's nice and it's creased properly, and put the screw back in. And once you do that, then it should add tension back to it. But that's how you adjust it. Always make sure it's clean first. Like I said, I just pop it up, take this, make sure it's nice and clean, knock it back down. Now I know this case is clean and ready to go. Maybe take a little bit, I got a little dirt right there, a little lint. But now I just blow this out with air and we're good to go.